welcome back to my channel. So I'm pretty sure you've seen from the title that we're going to be doing an eyeshadow tutorial today. But before we get into that, I need you to follow me on my social medias. I will leave them on the screen here, and also follow my business social medias. That will be in the description box. And yes, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and if you have subscribed already, then thank you for coming back. Okay, so I guess we're just gonna get right into the video. We ain't gonna do no rambling today. We're gonna get right into the video. Okay, so if you want to see how I create a bomb ass eyeshadow look with the Amreezy palette, then just keep on watching. So I have to adjust the angle so that y'all can really see my eye look, but yeah, so I had to adjust it just a little bit. But we're gonna get right into this tutorial, okay? Because I need my mirror, y'all. I need my mirror. And with my lights just going haywire, my setup is a little different. I'm gonna start out taking this Lux crease brush from Jessup. I got these brushes off of Amazon and they're bomb. I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna go in with I think I'm gonna go in with New Yorker. It's this brown right here, and I'm going to blend that into my crease. Once you get this blended out, you really can't see it that well because it's like pretty much my skin tone shade. So the point is not for you to really be able to see it that much. It's just, you know, a base for the rest of our eyeshadows. Okay, so, oh, and by the way, brows are already done. Obviously, you can see that. Okay, so next we're gonna go into Simsa, and this is like purple violet shade here, right there. I'm gonna take like a more dense brush. I got these off Amazon also, and then I'm going to blend this out on the outer and inner portions of my eye. And then I'm gonna blend it out in the front. Next, I'm gonna go into Yugo, and this is really dark purple. Okay, this is really dark purple right here. I'm going to take a pencil brush, like a really small pencil brush, and I'm going to go really lightly into this because the purpose of this is to just deepen up the crease. So we're gonna take a little bit of this and deepen up. Yes, okay. Oh, that's a little too much. You're running out now. You're running out. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and then just blend that shade out, the Yugo shade. I'm gonna take Yugo and blend Yugo out in the front of my eye. So do the same thing in the front. So it doesn't look like much of nothing really now, but we ain't done. So, okay. Next, we're gonna take Wasted. Wasted is this like pastel pink shade here. It's really hard to see. Hard to see. You gotta kind of focus it. Yeah. It's like got a little glitter in it. I don't really know what's going on with the shade, but it's a pastel pink shade, so really pastel-y. I'm gonna place that in the middle, and I'm gonna blend out all my shades. I'm not gonna touch the pastel pink shade. I'm just gonna blend out all the shades over the top of my lid, like so. Now I'm gonna take like a flat brush and spray it. I'm gonna take Cupcake, which is this, okay, can't see it. Cupcake, which is this shade right here. And I'm gonna blend that on top of Wasted. And I'm gonna blend it out on the edges. You wanna make sure that you're blending out the sparkle shade on the edges because you don't want it to look like perfect. Like you don't want, here's what I'm saying, you don't want the edges to be like seamless like that. You want them to be blended. So that's, yeah. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. Do the same thing on this side, and then I'll be back. What y'all think? So I decided to go for something a little different with the under my eyes. I was just gonna put like the pink and purple colors under my eye, but then I was like, you know what? Let's switch it up and throw that blue in there because you know that blue is really pretty. So I put the blue color under my eyes and it looks really, really pretty. And then in the beginning I put like a little bit of pink, but it looks really, really pretty. I'm really satisfied with the way my makeup looks today. That NARS foundation, girl, talk about flawless. Flawless, okay? Absolutely flawless. Matches the heck out of my neck. It matches my face perfectly. Absolute perfect match. I'm just really, what's the word, satisfied with today's makeup look. So thank you guys for watching my video today. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can comment in the comment section below. Share this video, like it, subscribe to my channel, do all that good jazz, and make sure you follow my social medias. That will be in the description box below. So without further ado, I guess I'll see you in the, without further ado, goodbye. Yeah, so if that's all, then I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye.